This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Cool. Custom-built stately home on 3+ acres of land. This home feels like you are in the country, yet you are within 5 minutes to main shopping area, restaurants, and the interstate. A welcoming entryway is just the beginning of this open, airy floor plan. Enjoy custom finishes of transom windows adding natural light to the dining room, vaulted ceiling, and large stone fireplace in the great room which opens to a well-designed kitchen. Additional features include first floor primary suite with fireplace and sitting area, game room, in-ground pool, full court basketball court with lights, and a room perfect for a home gym. 5 bedrooms plus an exercise room or in-law suite. Beautiful updates and finishes throughout.